Welcome to this comprehensive guide to Printrove, the ultimate platform for launching your print-on-demand business. In this video, we will explore how Printrove can simplify dropshipping by offering tools to customize and sell unique products without holding any inventory. Starting with the homepage, you'll notice a clean and intuitive design that directs you to explore its various features. Registration is straightforward. Just fill out your details and access your dashboard where you can upload your designs and customize products such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Printrove's pricing model is competitive, making it ideal for those new to the dropshipping business. Their catalog offers diverse product options, ensuring that you can cater to a wide audience with ease. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Back to Printrove. Their seamless integration with e-commerce platforms such as Shopify and WooCommerce makes it easy to manage your store and orders from one place. The automated order fulfillment process ensures that your customers get their products on time without any hassle. Printrove also offers branding options like custom packaging, which can help establish your brand identity. For those interested in analytics, Printrove provides sales insights directly within the platform to help track your performance and refine your strategies. Don't miss out. Subscribe to this channel and hit the like button to stay updated with the latest insights on e-commerce and dropshipping.